Hey everyone, in this video we will check the mixing blueprint from Cymatics, a complete guide to perfecting your mix. We will check this out and I'll put the link to it in the description. So if you want the mixing blueprint which is in PDF format, you can get it. And huge shout out to these guys for giving this away for free. I have seen a lot of people actually spending a lot of money in online classes, giving money and stuff like that to actually learn the process of mixing and mastering. But these guys right here, cymatics, now if you are onto making music, if you're onto making beats, music producer, or the people who just getting started, you probably already know about cymatics. These guys are like, I have huge respect for these guys. They have tons and tons of free stuff as well as paid stuff. It's totally worth it. You know what, I'll also put the free download vault link in the description so you can go check it out. So yeah, this the mixing blueprint is made by cymatics. Now these guys are professionals, okay? If you have checked their free samples and paid samples or anything, they are so smooth, they are so perfect, it is mixed well, everything is so smooth. Now in this particular the mixing blueprint, they are revealing the secrets, okay? So we can expect a lot of good stuff from it, okay? So first of all, let me just download it. By the way, I've already downloaded. If you click on here, you have to put your name and email, and if you don't have an account, just create an account and they will put the download link in the description. I'm sorry, in your email address, okay? They will put the link to it on your email, okay? And here it is. Here is your direct download for our ebook, the mixing blueprint. Download now. If you click on here, and it will download, okay? I'm not gonna do that because I've already downloaded and my net is quite slow, so I had to avoid that process. So let's check it out, okay? Here it is, the cymatics, the mixing blueprint, the complete. Let me just zoom it out a bit, okay? Yeah, that's just right, okay? So I'm not gonna read the whole process. I'll just read out the headings and stuff. I'll just scroll and show you what it has got to offer. So introduction about the mixing, and the step 1, you have to use a reference track and everything inside that. Reference track is continued part 1, that's part 1 reference, and then a sample selection. You have everything. Now it doesn't matter what kind of DAW you're using. It doesn't matter if you're on, guess they are on Ableton Live. It seems like that, the UI, it looks like Ableton Live. So if you are on Ableton Live, if you are on Pro Tools, Cubase, FL Studio, or even free DAWs, any DAWs, everything, as long as you are applying the right method, everything just gonna work the same way. So don't worry if you are on any DAWs, okay? And organization, and then gain staging, okay? They have gain staging. I think that's really important. I have to read that out really well. Buzzing, they have EQ, they have EQ. This is also important, very important. On 8 we have compression. This is gonna be really fun, as compression could be really tricky for some, okay? Panning, okay, everything, reverb and everything. It has got everything to perfect your mix. They also have a really interesting and this is the mixing checklist, okay? So they have everything. Step 1, reference track. Step 2, sample selection, filling out frequency spectrum, organizations, gain staging, buzzing, EQ, compression, panning, reverb, and preparing for mastering, okay? And visual mixing guide. This is really interesting. So this is visual mixing guide they have provided. So this is more like an visual instruction, okay? And here it is. So this is pretty cool. I'll probably use that as a thumbnail. Backup vocals, and there's a snare, lead. They're layering everything up and then panning. This is followed by everything that you have, everything that are listed in here, okay? So yeah guys, grab it when it's still free. And I hope this video helps, and I'll also put the link to this, how to download it, and also put the link to the free vault like I've said. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace. I am out.